Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create your own bingo card using Canva. So in here, I've already opened the Canva apps and you can just start by clicking on create a design and then choose the size that you want. So for example, in here, I'm going to just go with the card size square. And a blank canvas will be opened. Here you can create one from scratch, but I'm suggesting you to use the Canva app. So you can just click on the apps button in here on the left panel, and then here find the keyword bingo, and you'll see bingo cards app. So let's just click on that. So this is the bingo cards apps. Let's open it. Okay, so by using this app, you can just enter a list of words or choose from our examples and then generate a set of bingo cards for fun games. You can select grids from 2 times 2 up to 5 times 5 to create as many as 50 different cards. So let's click on open. And this is the bingo card apps. Here you can just choose popular words category below, or you can also enter the words on your own. And here I'm going to adjust the size into 5 times 5 and the number of cards. Okay, 10 is enough. And here you can also choose the font for your bingo card. I'm going to go with the impact. Here you can also choose to draw the grid lines or not. I'm going to go with let's try songs. And after this, you can just click on create bingo cards and let's just wait. Okay, so in here you can see there will be 10 cards because I choose 10 before. And here you can just click on the card and it will be added just like this. You can just right click on it and choose to set image as background to make it fill the design. Here you can just click on add page and then add the next card just like this, and then do the same, set image as background. Okay, let's just wait. Okay, so you can just repeat the step until the last card, and after this you can just click on share button and then download all of the pages, and your bingo card will be saved to your computer. You can just print it if you want to. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.